Good afternoon from I-24 somewhere just past Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The wind has finally dropped down to wind gust of 33 miles an hour. It was 37 when we left this morning. Tire pressure's good. We've got 1,066 miles to go. Of course, that won't be today. The temperature is currently 50 degrees, but with the wind chill, it feels like 35 degrees according to my weather app. Anyway, we're headed down I-24 and got a long way to go. Of course, we won't be there today, but anyway, safe travels, everyone. Since it's New Year's Eve, everyone be careful out there.